Hi, welcome to CodeChappy. Today we're going to see the demo for COVID-19 analysis app using machine learning project. Let's see how to start the project. These are the project folders. First open the Visual Studio Code and open it. These are the Visual Studios. It left side project folders. First import the project folders and open it. These are the project folders. You can view all the details. First, if you can click the SRC, you can view the all source codes are there. These are the source code. Next, open the Notepad++ and open it. Import the project folder in left side. These are the project folder. First you can click the download files and open it. These are the download folders. First you can run the project. First you can install the three softwares. First you can install Anaconda prompt, next you can Visual Studio, and next you download the Notepad++. These are the download files. Next you can view the documents. Next you can click the readme files. You can view the readme files. You can view all the details. What are the commands are there in run the project. You can view all the details. Let's see how to start the machine learning project. First open the Anaconda prompt. You can only open the run as administration and open it. These are the Anaconda prompt. First you can enter the CD and copy the project folder path. Copy the path and paste the prompt and enter it. Now come back to the readme file. So you can enter the second command. You can copy the command, install the Jupyter. You can enter the command and paste the Anaconda prompt. You can enter it. You can automatically install. Requirements are installed. Next, go back to the readme files. And copy the command tree. You can copy the command and paste the prompt and you can enter it. The requirements are installed. Next, readme files and copy the fourth command. You can copy the command and paste the prompt. You can enter it. Next, you can copy the command 4 and you can paste the prompt. Next, you can go to the readme files. Next, copy the fifth command. Copy the command and paste the prompt and you can enter it. You can automatically requirements are installed. Next, readme files. Next, run the project. Copy the run the project command and paste the prompt. You can enter it. Once I run the command, you can inputs. You can automatically view the outputs. You can view all the outputs. Now automatically go to the web browser. You can automatically open the Jupyter lab in web browser. These are the Jupyter lab. You can using the Jupyter lab project. You can go back to the readme files. You can view the browse the Jupyter run. You can what are the inputs analysis. You can automatically you can click on open it. Go back to the Jupyter run. And you can click and open it files. COVID-19 case analysis app. You can open it. You can view all the details. First, if you want to run the program, and you can run it. Click run it. Automatically run it options are there. These are the input records, data tables. First, you can view the input project. These are the input tables. First, you can input the tables in India inside the all state records. View state name. View all the details. How many members are COVID inactive, active, new positive, new cured. You can view all the details. What are how many members are death in a COVID period? You can view all the details in state wise. Can all the states are there, you can view it. Next, these are the output tables. What are the inputs you need? You can view the output tables. You can view how many members are active in COVID. You can view all the details. Next, you can view the data visualizations. First, you can view the data table wise. Next, you can view the diagram chart wise. First, you can view the C-bond graph. These are the C-bond graph. You can view all the details. Who members are, how many members are COVID time, you can active or positive. You can view in C-bond graph wise. Next, view the pie chart wise. The data was you can view the table wise records, COVID records. You can view the pie chart wise. You can view positive, who members are positive, how many members are active in COVID, how many members are cured. You can view all the details in pie chart wise. Next, you can view the bar chart wise. You can how the states are inside the down of states. How many members are active in COVID time? Which is stated Kerala is active in. You can view all the details. Next, how many members are death in COVID time? Which are states are highest death? You can view all the details. Maharashtra is highest death rate of highest death rate. You can view all the details. Individual wise, you can view the bar chart wise. Next, go to the stacked graph. These are the stacked chart. All active, positive, cured, death, new active, new possible, new cured. You can all the details in one chart, one graph. These are the stacked graph. You can left side say all states, how many states are positive, active. In color wise, you can change. You can view all the details. All are in one graph. How many members are positive, negative. You can individual wise, you can view it. Death are positive. You can individual also, you can view it. These are the COVID-19 analysis app. If you want to input the records table, you can output the data visualizations. That's all about the COVID-19 analysis app. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.